Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Stacy and today we are going to make a taco ring. Hello, so today we are going to make a taco ring and it's going to look like a hematoma for a high school project for my daughter. So here we go, let's make a taco ring hematoma. For this project we're going to need hamburger meat. You need Fiesta blend cheese. You need taco seasoning, 2 things of crescent rolls, and then food coloring, and I have red and blue. Okay, so first thing you're gonna get your hamburger meat. You're gonna put it into your pan to brown. So we're just going to brown this up. We'll be right back. Okay, so while the hamburger meat is browning, I'm going to go ahead and, if you notice, Lele, she wants a treat. She thinks she's going to get some food. So I'm going to go ahead and roll out our crescent rolls on our pan. So while the hamburger meat is browning. So you want to leave a circle in the middle. And you want to ignore the children screaming in the background. So you're going to make it look like a sunshine. A sunshine! Back up, it's hot. Yes, Chandler has a knife that he's learning to use. Get down, please, that's hot.
See? I'm burning, Dad, I'm burning. This is a real knife, alright? Be careful. This is a real knife. Real knife, alright?
Real knife, yeah.
You're making the older thing.
Second one. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It is free to subscribe to my channel and you'll get notifications when I have new videos come up. And comment below where you're from. I love to know where all the people are from. So just let me know in the comments where you're from. These are going to be like rolled up. So if they go over a little bit, that's okay.
Y'all quit. Stop.
So to me, we're making a sunshine. Sort of. So you do want to have your oven preheating to 350. Kind of press these down, make a circle. You can make a little lip. Then it will be easier when you put all your things on it. It'll stay on better. Drain our hamburger meat real quick. Okay, so now that the meat is drained, we're going to take our taco seasoning. We're going to add it to our hamburger meat. because you don't want it too wet on this, or it won't cook right. You just want to get it stirred up really well. Make sure your hamburger is broken up pretty small. And then we're going to get ready to place it on our ring. Okay, so we're just going to add this on. And some will fall in the middle, some will fall off. It'll be okay.
I'm sitting here.
So, once you get all of your hamburger meat on, you can go back and pick up any that you've dropped or whatnot. Then you're going to get your Fiesta blend cheese. And you're just going to sprinkle it on. Now, I don't know about y'all, we like a lot of cheese, so we're going to put a lot on. Of course, this is for a school project, high school project, so it's going to be made to look like a hematoma, but they're going to eat it in class tomorrow.
And before school, I wanted to play a little bit, so I went to this golf course. It was called El Dorado.
So once you have your cheese on, you're going to start pulling this up. You're going to squeeze it in the middle.
I talked to was Larry Benson. Never forget Larry. And I asked him if I could play the tournament as an amateur. He goes, I'm sorry, we have a few amateur qualifyings and they're already done, but if you want to play the
You're just going
tournament,
to start pulling it up and tucking it in.
we just laughed.
So now is when, if you need to open them up just a little, close any together, just kind of push these and make sure they're a little connected so that they don't crack open when they are baking. So that's the taco ring. If you don't want it to be a hematoma, then you just put it in the oven at 350 and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. But we are going to make this look like a hematoma. So here goes the fun part. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a little medicine cup, and I'm gonna get the red. Now this is kind of like a gel, so I'm gonna put a little red in there. And a little blue. I have these left over from baking cakes and such, so we're just going to get that out and mix it together because red and blue make purple, and that's what color we kind of want for this hematoma. So we're just going to kind of brush it on. Now you don't want it too thick because if so, it's not going to do well in the oven. It will kind of just not look as well if it's too thick. Yeah, baby. What are you doing? Are you my knight in shining armor? Hmm?
Dad, this is a real axe, alright? This is a real axe. This. Oh, I told him that this is a real axe.
It is a real axe, and it's scary. Right?
Yeah.
And you don't want to get this on you, since it will make a mess.
Why?
So make this. Okay. So I'm just going to use this to kind of make it a little more mixed in. So once the bread gets crispy, it's going to look sort of like skin colored, flesh colored, so it will look even more like a hematoma. And I'm going to be honest, I feel like I got too much blue mixed in, so I am probably going to go back in and add a little more red, just because I feel like it's a little too much blue. So. Alright, so now we're just going to put it in the oven and bake it at 350. Okay, so we have it in the oven, and I would say bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, but it is in the oven cooking. Ring ring! You have an oven timer, don't you?
Yeah, it's Chandler's.
It's Chandler's?
It was under the sofa.
It was under the sofa.
Can hide it there.
Oh, he was hiding it. Okay. Mwah.
And
So we're gonna just finish baking it while it's been cooking. I've been cleaning the kitchen, so I cleaned up all the pots and all the, stuff. And it's in here cooking. So it's almost done, and we'll get out and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's get this taco ring hematoma out of the oven. There it is. Okay, so this is the taco ring hematoma. It's a little darker than I would like for it to be, but it definitely works. And we will be able to garnish it in the center with some lettuce and some some sour cream and things like that. You could make it look really nasty and put sour cream on it and make it look like it's oozing out, but yeah, I don't think I want to do that. But anyway, I will show you another option. So for dinner we did a trial run, and we just did a little bit of coloring. So I just did a little blue and a little red on each one, and I really liked the way that turned out, a little better than the purple, but I like a little more color. So anyway, this is what the inside will look like. It is cheesy and meaty, and then this is the one that I did for her class. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks for
this
doing
is
it
Caroline.
for me. I
It's
love
for her
you.
class. So this is what she will take to school tomorrow for her hematoma. What class is it?
Health Science 1.
Health Science 1. So if you have Health Science 1, you can make a hematoma out of a taco ring. So bye everyone. Blow a kiss. Mwah.
don't forget
What? So don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to like,